All right, it's time to make a joyful noise in our brand new space. I tell you, thanks to a big team, we made this change happen almost seemingly overnight. It sounds so good in here, it is stupid. We have this is gonna be there's a vanity going in here with a little geez, mirror with lights for all the models that needs the lighting for their makeup and all of our cool stuff. We got one part that fell off the wall, so we're gonna fix that tomorrow. We got a really awesome sound system to a pair of speakers that just makes the room move when we're doing photo shoots, and I got all of our lighting stuff ready to go. Our industrial fan to blow your hair back and have a good time. And of course, on this side now is the music school sides of things. So this kit is going to be replaced with a digital kit and these massive mirrors which we use on our photo shoots. And then we're looking at not guitar lessons, dance lessons will be beginning here very, very soon. And we have cuisine lessons actually starting at another kitchen, another location coming up as well. Lots of cool stuff. And then the first day of school just finished. And in the first day of school here, we now have day school, where now we had so much fun today. We had the one student say, "This is the most fun I've ever had in school before." So this is our day school room, and it's so exciting. So thank you for all your years of endless support and excitement as we share this inaugural journey and new successes. And stay tuned, the Canadian Invasion website is about to go live, and you're going to see how we're going to make history, or we're already making history in a huge way. And I can't wait to share with you what's coming up. Anyway, we'll see you soon.